Hi, chat. Welcome to the last Advent of Code stream. Well, we don't know that yet. this day could drag on. Who knows? But hopefully, the last Advent of Code stream of 2021. How are y'all doing today? It is about to be Christmas, and yeah, we're back for the third stream of today. I took a nap and it absolutely destroyed me. I am exhausted now. I don't get why. Oh, I was supposed to switch keyboards last stream, wasn't I? We can do the last one with the other keyboard. Because I believe Arrow Bounce redeemed that, and I was in the middle of a solve, and so I couldn't swap. But I'll do that real quick. Gotta figure out what's wrong with my board. You unseated. What the fuck happened? Nothing I can do about that. Oh yeah, you all. Oh, and the bot is broken too. I am all over the place. I am all over the place. Yeah, I do owe some Vim time also. Let's see. Yeah, you did that right 5 seconds before the timer went off, and I was like, well, can't swap now, so you'll just have to deal. What am I getting bonked for? Oh, you bonked the bot. What are you bonking the bot for? What did the bot do? I don't understand why. You can kind of see it here. Like, you can definitely see it if I figure out how to turn the lights off. How do I turn the lights off? What's the button for it? This one? Yeah. See how there's a red LED there? I don't know why it's red. It's usually green. But I don't I don't know why it's red. It's suddenly red. You over here. Get the ball so people continue to ask about it. R.I.P. the keyboard. Yeah, it's got the red shirt on. All right, let me say hi to everyone who is here. Arrow Bounce was first today. ASDeef is also here. Hi, Fixter Jake and Marsha and DDels. Boop! It's time for some input data to get a hopefully simple solution. Yeah, we'll see. Today's the game of life puzzle. Yeah, I mean, last year the meme was today's the maze puzzle and it never came. And this year the meme is today's the game of life problem, and we'll see if it comes today. Personally, the initial coordinates out of a 300,000 line input file with lots of words to simulate 300 iterations of game of life final puzzle. Yeah, right. Isn't day 25 normally a bit of a reprieve? I mean, kind of, but not necessarily. Hey, what's up, Macro Skin? Hello, hello. But yeah. Mr. Singh, hello. Welcome. The Endless River, hello. Now that ASC is over and holidays are here, I might start bonk the bot for being offline. Ah, fair. Okay. Let us get set up at least, because it says 48. Part 1 to here. Babby part 1. And we have a little bit of a different command to get set up over here today, because day 25 is different. Day 25, we have part 1. And then EOC 25 part 2. So that is the command that we'll be running today. There's a 5-second rate limit between part 1 and part 2 submissions. Well, we'll do that then. And I don't remember how subshells work, so yeah. We'll do that then. Can you do sleep 5.5? Is that a thing? Maybe we do sleep 5.5? How do you know there's a rate limit? How do you know that's a thing? Okay, well, we'll do that. We'll see what happens. Another graph problem? Perhaps. You finish it in 7 minutes. Finish what in 7 minutes? Sudo just jumped on the bed and it sounded like something crashed. I mean, Sudo is a big puppy. It does not surprise me in any way, shape, or form. I realized that at some point I made my browser taller, and I don't remember doing that, but it is taller now. I still don't know what the picture is. Is it like a sea vent? What is this up here? I think I still don't understand the picture, but maybe we'll see in a second. It's a reindeer? It's a pretty creative reindeer. It's Africa. I don't think it's Africa. This year had a lot of graph problems compared to old missing the game of life though. Yeah, it's true. It's upside down. Still not seeing it. South America? No. I suspect when we get the last day that it will light up more correctly. It's a side view cross section of the ocean trench. That makes sense. That was my thought. But this is the trench. Ancient CGG says, how many characters per line? I do 80. I am a fan of 80. I'm also really cold right now for some reason. Well, it makes sense. I just got out of bed. Oh, that nap was not a good nap. I mean, it was a good nap, but it was... I mean, if my goal was to become more tired, then it completely did exactly what it was supposed to do. But, yeah. What all do I have to get ready before stream? This is fine. Music is a little loud. Oh, but this song's always just loud, so we can just ignore that. This is all ready to go. Cool. Got a bunch of server about to be installed, struggling to figure out the problem. It was indeed hardware. Oh no. Oh no. Hardware problems are the worst. Yeah, and I guess after this we'll just have to do 2016 and 2015. Which we have a few. Why did I do the first? Oh no, these are 2 stars. It's because they're... Wait, no, these are 1 stars. Why did I do just the first part of a bunch of days? I'm pretty sure I did those all while being like, this is how Advent code works, and like not actually trying to solve. I always go back and do that. Need power for SATA drives? Who to thunk? Oh yeah, true. The 2015 one looks kind of like a Christmas tree. I think so. You're testing your auto submit? No, but that's what 2017 was for, wasn't it? No, maybe you're right. I think you're right. Hey, what's up, OM? Hello. Welcome. So it is impossible for me to end up on the global leaderboard, sadly. This bottom one here is 659. I would need 240 points, and that's not possible in one day. But that's fine. This is the most number of points I've done ever, and this was like the most competitive year, so improving from last year feels good. Anderson says sad trombone. Yeah. Do you ever look at your old code and die a little inside? Not really. I definitely look at old code and I'm like, oh, this part could be better. But I don't ever look at my old code and be like, man, this was the worst fucking code ever. Like usually it's just like, oh, okay. I mean, I've changed my opinions about some things over the years. Like some of it is like absolutely terrible. But I understand why I wrote it in that way in the situation. Let me see if I can find you some. On this drive? Not on that. There's GDPR forums for some reason. Fuck off. This drive may need to be repaired. Literally never. Yeah. Shut up. Gotta show this code quick. This terrible code quick. Oh yeah, here we go. Old code. Programs from 2010, maybe? Oh no, these are from way older than that. Is it this code? No, this was code to generate code. I was so close. I was so close to like realizing what I was doing. I was making a Go Fish program. Yeah, let me find the Go Fish program because that one's more interesting. This one? No, this is the first part of it. Where's the fucking Go Fish program? I also have a program called If Statement Generator, which again, I was so close to having the right idea, but at the same time, so far away. What the fuck is it called? Is it in this folder? I have a program called Source Code. I don't know what that is. Is it not this one? Arts.from sounds like a thing. This is... no, that's just the generated code. Is it in form1.from? Yes, this is the file. So this is a Go Fish game. I don't have the built output of this though, unfortunately. This is a Go Fish game. This code here was generated by this code here. Instead of me just being like, oh, I should make arrays and loops. Nope. I literally just generated a shit ton of code, all smacked against the left-hand side. Actually, this is an array. So I had the arrays, I just didn't think to be like, oh, I should make a loop. But again, this is, before I knew what I was doing. So, and the thing is, as ugly as this code is, it worked. And that was, the most important constraint is it works. But yeah. Anyway, I have a lot of code like this. I do plan to put it all up on GitHub eventually. Just to be like, here, look, I wrote terrible code once too, and I got better. We're gonna say no. I should update that, but we're gonna do that another time. Wee woo! Hello, welcome. Here's my bad code circa 2011. You have put yours online too. It seems not bad. It seems not bad. Documented. There's a lot of magical numbers. Could be worse. Look at the GUI stuff. I don't know anything about GUI programming. This one? No. GUI stuff. Literally GUI stuff. Oh. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. 2010, he was in 3rd grade. That's not true. That is not true. I was in college in 2010. Okay, we are coming up on time. Got a minute left. Good luck, everyone. Oh. Wake up. We just learned Python because it's the only language that had proper serial support. Ah, nice. Yeah, I understand that. I feel that. I get you there. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for doing AOC all month. Yeah, indeed, Eric. Thank you for putting this together, as always. This is my favorite streaming month of the year, largely in part because of AOC. Yeah, Quasi, I'm a lot older than you think I am. Then I put my hand instinctively on WASD. That's not the right thing. Oh my god, could it possibly be a Game of Life program? Could it possibly be? I think it's not. Okay. One always moves east, the other always moves south. Each location can contain at most one sea cucumber. The rest of the locations are empty. Okay, each step the sea cucumbers in the east facing attempt to move forward one location. Then one south attempt to move forward on one location. When a herd moves forward, each sea cucumber in the herd first simultaneously considers whether there's a cucumber adjacent. Okay, so it can't move. Move off the right edge of the map, appear on the left edge. Okay, so it's circular. Okay, so it's just run it until they stop moving. First step in which none move. Okay. Let's see. Lines equals s dot split lines. Chords equals a dictionary for y line enumerate lines. For x c in lines. Enumerate. If c is equal to v, then chords xy equals support dot direction 4 dot down. Okay, so we have to try and move, and if they can't move, they just stay still. Oh, and we try... Okay, so it goes in steps. Got it. New chords 1 equals this. For xy dir. For xy direction in chords, we need to do the east ones first. East moves first, then south. Okay. Support dot direction 4 dot right. if okay, so this is just going to be hacky, that's fine. Um, how does this even succeed? That's not a thing. That should have been an error. What is going on here? Oh. Stupid typo. Me not remembering how my helpers work. That is slow. Okay, it's wrong. Oh, did they wrap around the bottom too? They probably wrap around the bottom too. Well, that's even faster. This is not gonna work because it's printing. But, oh no, do we really have to optimize? No. How big is my input? Oh. This takes 10 seconds. Okay, cool. Thursday 25. We're done. We did it. Oh, and I got points! Look at that shit! Oh, and I made up points too? Look at that. Wait, what happened in part 2? This is part 1. This is part 2. 901 hacks. We did it! And our little hacky thing worked. Look at that. I just watched 10 minutes of something I have zero idea of. What? You mean you watched 9 minutes in 1 second, right? I should see how many people have matching timestamps today. Well, I have matching timestamps and I moved up. I could have done even better. I made like some really dumb mistakes there. I guess that just means that I need to make my editor support winters by next year, right? Nick Dennis says, I finished on global leaderboard. Nice! Nice. I peaked at 89, which I'm pretty happy about, but a little short from global, but that's the way things go. This is the first year I've gotten points on day 25 though, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, congrats, Nick, and welcome to the stream. I felt like yesterday I got ranked 24 today. Nice. Which clutched it. Oh, that's even more exciting. That's even more exciting. Let's see how badly I did on my private leaderboard. I'm second for now, but T hasn't finished, nor has Aerobounce. I suspect you four are all going to pass me. Like, very easily, because you get about 200 points for these. Yeah. 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 I saw you read Licky the other day. Oh, cool. Nice. Well, that was fun. I guess we'll have to do the other years now, right? Alright, let's clean up the code. Or is there anything worth cleaning up the code? So I made this kind of nifty direction class, but I'm kind of glad I did. Yeah, it just made it so I can just call apply and get these new ones. Zarn QX. Oh, I can't pronounce that. Sorry. Hi, Andy. Thanks for streaming these. It was always fun to watch. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. It's always good to have you in the chat. It's just tuples and stuff. Yeah. It's sneaky tuples. They support. So it's a special, slightly magical enum, which has a bunch of fun methods on it. You should go back and read the lore. The lore. Hold on, actually, let me see the. Ooh. Oh, and I get it. They get darker down here. Oh, that's cool. Everyone says, finally finished 250, 211. Nice. I got points today. It is Africa. No, it's not. No, it's not. There it is! The bottom of the ocean trench, the last place the Slay Keys could be. Your submarine's experimental antenna still isn't boosted enough to detect the keys, but they must be here. All you need to do is reach the seafloor and find them. At least, you'd touch down on the seafloor if you could. Unfortunately, it's completely covered by 2 large herds of sea cucumbers, and there isn't an open space large enough for your submarine. You suspect that the owls must have done this before, because just then you discover the phone number of a deep-sea marine biologist on a handwritten note taped to the wall of the submarine's cockpit. Sea cucumbers? Yeah, they're probably hunting for food. But don't worry, they're predictable critters. They move in perfectly straight lines, only moving forward when there's space to do so. They're actually quite polite. You explain that you'd like to predict when you could land your submarine. Oh, that's easy. They'll eventually pile up and leave enough space for... Wait, did you say submarine? And the only place with that many sea cucumbers would be at the very bottom of the Mariana? You hang up the phone. And then the actual problem. Oh, actually, I want to see what it says when I click submit. Oh. Slay keys detected. According to the console, the keys are directly under the submarine. You landed right on them. Using a robotic arm on the submarine, you move the sleigh keys into the airlock. Now you just need to get them to Santa in time to save Christmas. You check your clock. It is Christmas! There's no way you can get them back to the surface in time. Just as you start to lose hope, you notice a button on the sleigh keys. Remote start. You can start the sleigh from the bottom of the ocean. You just need some way to boost the signal from the keys so it actually reaches the sleigh. Good thing the submarine has that experimental antenna. You'll definitely need 50 stars? Wait, wouldn't it be 49? Wait, what? Energy source detected. Integrating energy source from the device sleigh keys. Done. Installing device drivers. Done. Recalibrating experimental antenna. Done. Boost signal due to the matching signal phase. 1 star. Only 49 to go. And you click it and you get this here. Now do part 2. You use all 50 stars to boost the signal and remotely start the sleigh. Now you just have to find your way back to the surface. Did you know crab submarines come from colored lights? Come with colored lights. I can read. And there we have it. Larry, how you doing? I'm in a mountain cabin, can barely watch the stream. Well, welcome. Good to see you. Tizamuna says, can you use any language for AOC? Yes, you can even use no languages. Or SQLite, or Google Sheets, or find and replace in VS Code. Whatever you need to solve the puzzle. A lot of people this year solved some puzzles with pen and paper. Some of them were easier on pen and paper than actually doing the code. Today's puzzle was a bit easier than yesterday. That's pretty typical for day 25. That's pretty typical. Gryffindor, hello, hello. Hey stream, I heard you like Java. Could you help with my final project? It's due in 2 weeks. I'll give 0 subs if you do and complain on Twitter if you don't. How's it going, Gryffindor? Good to see you again. But yeah, we're done. And of course, Aerobounce and Team on T passed me. You guys haven't finished yet. Oh, you have. Okay, so I'm at least 6th. Due 2 weeks ago. Oh, I didn't even read. This feels good to place. Now I can sleep. Oh, are you on global, Larry? You are 77. Nice. Nice. I fucked up. I choked the end game. I did great in the first half, and then I choked the end game. I had 428 points up to here. I just needed like 200 more, and choked it. Just absolutely choked it. Kenneth C. Sanders, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I've never seen anything like this before. Wait, what do you mean? Like programming streams, or Advent of Code, or Twitch, or what do you mean? Hey, what's up, Pari? Hello, hello. You had the same bad stretch? Yeah, but you were way higher up, so you had a lot less to fall. Not including today, I had 80 points after day 14. You survived though. You survived. Programming streams, yeah, it's pretty cool. There's quite a few of us that do it. It's a nice little community. Okay, how do I make this code less garbage? Or do I just not care? It's a little duplicated, but I think it's fine, I guess. Yeah, it's whatever. It's AOC. Add that. My code's really slow. That's for sure. I'm an old VB coder. Cool. I used to create VB back in the day too. Airbound says, see y'all whenever I decide to pop in next, which hopefully won't actually be the next AOC, but no promises. If it's only AOC, that's fine too, Aerobounce. We always enjoy having you, but thank you for stopping by. I'll see you around. Okay, we're gonna run this twice because I don't have the patience to time this 5 times. Yeah, there we go. And then we can archive the repo since we're all done. Day 25. I satisfied. Good to see you again. How are you doing? Thank you for the resub at 18 months. 18, 17, I can read. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. You were about to get a fancy new badge. Very close. How does this take so long? This puzzle is 140 by 137. Wait, that's a weird number. Or 180, 138 by 137. Something like that. Griffinbork, thank you for the resub with Prime at 10 months. Merry Christmas, gamers. Indeed, indeed. Do you ever do any of the other stuff on ASC like binarysearch.com? Yes. In fact, my buddy created binary search. Lawrence. Lawrence is my friend. Lawrence is a good friend of mine. Yeah. Imagine if ASC had a jingle when you finish it. I'm pretty sure the ASCII art's way better than any jingle. I don't like websites making sound. I only track the greater than and less than. Yeah, that's all I do too. That's all I do here. I ignore the other characters. Mine runs in like 0.5 seconds. Well, what the fuck is mine doing then? I don't know. My guess is enum is slow. I don't actually know. We can profile it. Python-mc profile log.p stats -m part 1. Wait for it to do its thing. Do you split up the down and the right? I did. Really cool. I'd definitely love to see you do binary search on stream. Yeah, I've done it a few times. gprof to dot. This is probably not going to be that helpful. It's probably just going to be like, oh, you spend 100% of your time in compute function. Ah, interesting. So mine spends almost all of its time in apestud double under git? Do I have like an inner annotation in there? So almost all of it is enum overhead. That's kind of nuts. Some weird reflection stuff. I mean, enums shouldn't be this slow. I don't know why they're... I don't know. I really never use enums, so this was just my way to have a better represented thing. How about adding another 10k reward for binary search? I would maybe make it more than 10k because binary search usually takes like 20 minutes. I see you still use Ubuntu. Did you know it's old and bad? Nix is good and used by all good programmers and normal people. Griffinborg. Have you tried using PyPy? Yes. I actually have contributed to PyPy. I am actually part of the PyPy team. See? I am a member of PyPy. Cool, huh? Shit was with all the right libraries too, yeah. Difference of 110 in rank between part 1 and part 2. I suspect that a lot of people haven't done all the other problems, and that's why the rank is different. Not sure, though. Is this faster with PyPy? Maybe. PyPy doesn't do well with reflection-y things, so it might not do that well. Might not do that well on this. MyPyC would probably speed this up, though, if MyPyC understands this. We can try that as well. VMPP bin activate, pip install these, and the run. Port is not available. Apparently, pip does not do file matching properly. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, it's a little bit faster in PyPy. just a tad bit faster. Let's see if we do MyPyC. I think this is gonna error for some reason. Forget the reason. Skipping support module. Missing PyTypes marker. That's annoying. How do I make this happen? I think I can do this. I might need to remove PyTest from this. Metal types an assignment. Expression has union literal blah 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 blah. Target has literal direction 4.right. Oh, doesn't know that this is dict coordinates. Dict tuple int to port dot direction 4. Line 38? Oh, we have to do the same thing for all these other Wiktionaries. Come on, MyPyC, you can do it. Hey. Right. You have to do some stuff to make MyPy not unhappy with it. Like this, because MyPyC doesn't understand file. We will also delete the test suite so that it doesn't have to compile all of PyTest. I don't think this is going to make it faster because I don't think it's going to compile the support module. Yeah, this is slightly faster. Let's do MyPyC of the support module as well. Then it should get faster. What? Where are you getting file from? Oh. This has file. Hey, what's up, Azteca? Hello, hello. Uh... Come on, my PC, just please, please. Just work properly. Key error enum. Okay, my PC does not support enums. All that just for a real sad result there. But yeah, this the enum calculation is the slow part for dumb reasons. Thanks for going on that adventure, yeah. Medium hypoxia, you need to leave, yeah. Alright. Day 25, part 1. Cool. That's gonna wrap us up on AOC. Let me disable CI and archive and be done with it. How's my PC going? Is development still strong? I don't know. I haven't really been following it closely. This one. You have a preferred library for binding C++ to Python? I tend to use CFFI, but CFFI is for C bindings, but then you could write a C wrapper around the C++ library. That's what I tend to do. I have used PyBind 11 before, and I know the dev that works on it, but I don't. I've never used it enough to recommend it. Rimu, how you doing? How was your day 25? I got points on day 25. Not enough to get me on the leaderboard, but I got points. Rimu, how sus does this look? how sus does this look, Rimu? Rimu just finished a dramatic reading of all the Easter eggs. Nice. Boop. Goodbye, AOC. What are you? 3 emails? Oh no, already. Okay, but all done. So we can click the archive button after I turn off wikis and projects. And archive. Type this to continue. Nope, no smiley face. Wasn't there a sleep 5 in there? The sleep 5 was the fallback. So I run the script, and if it fails, then I sleep 5. Because this is, I mean, DDoS told me I needed to sleep, and I did not need it though. Keeping sponsorships though, yeah. Yeah, we'll leave that there. Live coding, hello, hello. As I was saying on Remus chat, thanks for ASC, Puzzles, Eric, and Aneurysm. Yeah, indeed. Drew Man, hello, hello. Points is points, way to go. Yeah, I was so close to getting leaderboard this year, but alas, that's the way things go. Keeping sponsorships though, yeah. We're gonna hit 10 E6 total stars. Whoa. That's pretty hype. That's pretty hype. Only sad part about AFC ending is Anthon leaving us. I stream the whole year. Quasi, I stream all year. This is not just a December thing for me. Oh boy. I just run pi upgrade. That's what it's for. Relieve another contributor is already working on this. And I think to give them the chance first, since they've had a difficult time integrating their branch due to conflicts. Plus they used upgrade. It's a lot more things automatically. Hey, what's up, Devil Squirrel? Hello, hello. Brain leak juice. Yeah. Got 2 double dashes, did we? We did get 2 double dashes there. Feature to ignore any error from commented lines. No. They have missed the part of the... They in fact deleted the part of the issue template. People suck at reading. Strasglin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Cool. All right, that is going to wrap us up for today. I don't know when I'm going to stream next. Probably Monday at the normal time. I guess I'm busy tomorrow. And I might be busy on New Year's also. We'll see what we do. But anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week, so you can check out those educational videos. I also upload my Advent of Code solutions there, so the last solution will go up in about 17 hours. And if you missed any part of the stream and want to catch up, you can catch up on my VODs channel, which is linked from here or in the Bang YouTube command. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where, yeah, I announce what we're doing, and then we do it, usually, most of the time. And, yeah, I also announce them on the Discord, so join there, hang out with us, and I guess I'll see you in a year, Eric. Thank you again for ASC. It was a lot of fun. And, yeah. Bang OnlyFans, yeah. Yeah, and let's go find someone to raid for the last time for ASC.